Hi, my name is Yvette Deale, and I made this ASEE quilt for this year's conference.
Yvette, what a beautiful work of art. I know a lot of these panels, they came from the convention that was last year in Montreal.
Yes.
What was the inspiration to create this?
Well, it kind of started when I saw we were taking down the convention. They were getting ready to toss some of the fabric materials that they were using in the past, and I thought, well, I make quilts, so let's try making one for ASEE. That's really where it came from. I hate wasting fabric.
Absolutely. When you think about the process of making it, what went into it?
Each quilt is unique. When I looked at these, I wanted to highlight ASEE in general. And so I kept it simple as far as design. So it's really 3 panels. These 2 came from the fabrics that we had last year at the conference.
Okay.
This border, what I did is I took all the annual conferences we've had in the past and then just designed this particular panel just with all the names of the states where we've been at, including some of the ones in Canada. And then the color scheme, I just kind of went off of the blues that are in here, the gradients that are there, and then the panel down here, the oranges, the yellows, and things like that. Just kind of pulled out a couple of the colors that I could use to just kind of make it all work together.
Make it very cohesive.
Right.
Now as members walk in this year, it's hanging right here front and center. How special is that for you?
I mean, it's a treat. It's like, I do a lot of quilts over the years. I've been doing quilts now for about 11 years now. And a lot of it has been for like family members and friends that have asked me to make something. So it's kind of unique to see something I've made up here. And it has a little bit of everything. This has like some applique work, some embroidery work. He's embroidered. So I got to use a little bit of everything.
No, I love it. Now you mentioned the panels that are here at the convention in Charlotte, so will we expect another quilt when we get to Toronto?
See. Maybe a table runner instead.
Well, this is fantastic. What a treat to see this. Nice job.
Thank you, appreciate it.